Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tool Parts, where we're here to help you keep all of your tools running like new. In this video, I'm going to be working with the DeWalt miter saw. This is a Type 716, but what we're about to do should be the same for just about any 700 series DeWalt miter saw. Have you ever cut into something and your blade just stuck? The motor's still running, but the blade's not? If you hear your motor running and your blade's not spinning, you've probably got a belt problem. It's a good idea to take a look at your drive belt. Just like any belt, these are going to wear out over time. Any heavy use could snap that belt and then your blade just stops. So today we're going to show you how to take off the belt cover and replace that belt. These belts, they wear out over time. There's two ways you're probably going to know about it. One is you're going to cut into something and your blade's just going to stop spinning. You might hear a snap. That's when you know your belt's done for sure. The other way is if you smell a burning rubber smell. Sometimes these, as they start to wear out, they're going to give you, you'll notice. Replacing this belt is something anyone can do at home with seriously just one simple tool. The belt's located underneath this belt cover here. If your saw gets heavy use, sometimes they take a beating. You can replace this belt cover if it's cracked, damaged, broken, whatever. So we're going to show you how to replace the belt cover and how to get into that belt. If you need any of the parts that we use in this video, visit us at mmtoolparts.com, where we have thousands of parts to keep your tools running like new. So I'm using a T25 Torx bit to remove these 3 screws. So here's our belt right here. You can try just working it off by moving the belt around, but I'm going to show you an easier way. We're going to loosen these 4 screws and then just loosen this tensioner screw in the back right here. Now you can see that our belt is looser and it just walks right off. Grab your new belt and walk it right back on. Tighten up all your screws, starting with the tensioner. And then grab your new belt cover. And that's it. I was able to change the drive belt in this miter saw with one tool in about 5 minutes. If your blade's not spinning and you inspect your drive belt and decide to replace it, visit us at mmtoolparts.com, where you can find thousands of parts to fix your tools. Don't replace it, repair it. If you found this video helpful, or if you have any questions about what we covered today, chances are you're not the only one, so leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to like us, share us, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you can find hundreds of videos just like this one. See you next time.